Received this item from Vicseed to do an unboxing and just show you a little bit of what this is and how it works. This is a magnetic phone mount for your car. We have the magnet itself, as you can see here. This is the actual magnet in the box. The vent clip. So this is to put into your car's vent. And these are super easy to use, quick, easy access. They open and close just like this here. Windshield mount that comes with the kit as well. This goes on the windshield, as you can see here. So you get total pivot of this mount and you can lock it. Also extends. So you get full extension and pivoting all within this mount. The actual suction cup is all high quality, really thick. You can see how thick this one is, super thick. High heat, cold, doesn't fall off the windshield, really works great. A very cool customer support plastic card to keep with you if you need it. So if you have any questions at all, you're a VIP, which is nice. That's awesome. I like that. And in here as well is also for the dash. So if you want to mount this to your, stick it to your dash, and then you can actually mount this right to your car. And that's pretty much how that works. Let's just pop this in here real quick, show you just how it snaps right in real quick. Open that up, pop it in. iPhone 14 Pro Max, right there. That's not going anywhere. Perfectly, and I love that flexibility of that. That's really nice. You can see you can do horizontal or vertical. It doesn't matter. It's not going to come off. The measuring tape. So if you have an older phone that does not have MagSafe, they include these little rings that you can actually attach to your phone and make it a MagSafe. So you can just attach this to your phone. They give you the measuring tool right here to put it in the center. Put this on, and boom, now your phone has MagSafe. One more time, the vent, as you can see here, the windshield, or mounted on the actual dash. Absolutely recommend this. Definitely high quality item. Perfect for any car, truck, or boat. Thanks, Vicseed, for another great quality product.